Alright, so just finished putting all the gaskets back on the turbo. There's no way this downpipe's gonna leak now. There's 6 bolts holding that in, so we should be good. And got everything, the engine bay ready. Put it all back in. Got our exhaust gasket on there. So this is either gonna go 2 ways. It's gonna go straight in, bolt back in, easy as. But I guess we'll see. Alright, so I've had to get Jack round to help us.
Yep.
Because everything got in fine except for that oil line there. Because when I was putting the turbo in, I had bent this line because it got hooked on something and then it wouldn't align back. But after me trying for 6 hours, then Jack comes round.
5 minutes.
But yeah, so rest is pretty straightforward. Just hook the exhaust back up, put all the lines back in, we should be good. Alright, so it's the next day now. I'm just going to be putting the last bits and pieces back together. I'm not going to record too much of it. Get back to you guys when it's all together. Alright, I think everything's in properly. We'll see. I'm about to take it for a quick drive. And yeah. So I just took it for a bit of a drive. And the turbo is not spooling anymore, so look at that. But so right now it's the SR20DET. Great. Yeah, so if I drop it into third and go full throttle, well, like a little bit of throttle, no boost. No boost. So I went to find out what the problem is when we get back. Alright, so it's like 2 AM right now. The problem was the wastegate actuator kept on popping off, so I did have a bunch of circlips. So I put the circlip on and it just keeps on popping off. But I did have one left that was a little bit too big. We'll see if we can zoom in. And also, like, Chrome expression session is tomorrow. I was fucking done with this thing, but it's being held on by a paper clip and a circlip that's too big. So I'm hoping that the paper clip will like wedge it into place. We'll have to see if that holds up tomorrow. So we'll see you in the next video where I'll be drifting at Chrome expression session.